Hello YouTube and viewers, welcome to my video channel. Let me introduce myself. I am Raj Kumar, a Guru Putran. Why Guru Putran? Why my channel is called Guru Putran? As just a mark of respect to all my teachers, gurus who made what I am today. And Putran means a son of the teacher. That's why I call myself Guru Putran. Let me discuss with you what are my plans for this channel. I picked up all my software skills through ebooks, internet, YouTube, and whatever ways that we can to acquire knowledge. But the journey was not easy. It took lots of patience and reference to many teachers, errors, committing again, debug it, correction, etc. I somehow like Laravel and Angular now. I am so attracted to these platforms that I would like to bring many useful snippets or illustrations that you could use as reference in your development career or studies. I will try to present in a clear way so that you can grasp what I am teaching. I have seen so many skilled teachers whose skills are so tremendous that I will try to mimic them to my best possible way. I plan to show some of their YouTube channels in my future videos so that you also can go and look at their YouTube channels because they are so skilled teachers. I truly appreciate them. So what are my contact details? As of now, I open Gmail and here it is gpsmartcodes@gmail.com. GP stands for Guru Putran. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like it. You can post healthy comments, but please abstain from unhealthy comments as many of my YouTube teachers say it as well. After all, we present the video with good intention. So why unhealthy comments? If you feel that the video is not up to your level, just skip it. Lots of people out there are just picking up and they may need help by seeing these videos. So that's all guys, and let's go ahead. A little about me. I am a software developer and deep learner. Development skills are acquired through systematic learning. I am currently in Malaysia, a great country which is very near to Singapore as well. I am an electronics engineer by profession. But after a long career in electronics, I had a fancy with programming and web development. And so here I am as Guru Putran in front of you and explaining to you what I know. In future, I have plans to bring a commercial website that gives you series of beautiful video tutorials in many topics in Angular and Laravel. I plan it to be very affordable to all. It's just in the pipeline and I will announce it to you guys once it's ready. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and like it. Post nice comments. Let's walk along. Thank you.